What's up, guys? Welcome back to NNL Fishing. Today, another banger. I turned 15 this weekend, and this lake and creek really surprised us. So, we went there for 2 different days, like 2 hours each, and we actually pulled out some good stuff, and I caught a new species, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes.
Wait, oh.
I got huge bites.
Go back out there. Oh. Oh! Yo! Oh! Oh! Monster! No, not, I don't know. I can't see. Ooh! Ring him in. Look at that, baby. Oh, okay. Do you need a glove?
Oh, you lost my Cinco.
Whatever, man. You still caught a fish. I'd say 1.5, maybe. Yeah, my guess is gonna be 1.9. Actually, 1.7.
This
Oh, you have to hook that.
I...
Yo! Yo! I legitimately called it. Oh my god. So, Nate caught a 1 pound, 7 ounce bass. I'm gonna throw on a ribbon tail now. Oh, dude, just look at that beautiful thing. Oh my god. Just look at it, guys. He's now going to release it. Nice little flip, and he's back in the water. Okay, Nate just got a bite. I'm currently tying on my hook. He's gonna pull another bass. He's gonna pull it. He's gonna do it again, guys. Oh, I got him to the top. And he came. So guys, just caught a small largemouth. Oh my god, chill. But yeah, there he is. Hey. Hey. There he is, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. It's actually my birthday today. I'm officially 15, and I'm spending my 15th birthday with family and spending the morning here. Who doesn't love good little creek action? First cast, little guy, super little guy. That is a green sunfish. There he is, guys. Second cast. Bruh, lost my worm. Oh, he came in the top. Now he has most of my worm. Bro! What is that? Wait a second. Yo! Bullhead. Baby bullhead. Wow. There he is, guys. There he he is. Here we go, boys. Baby yellow bullhead. Okay guys, just released him. Would have been a great bait fish.
Ладно, позвонил, да, позвонил. Да. Ну да. Наверное, но там...
Did you guys just see that? Oh my god. 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 Oh. Just had a perch on the line and it came off. I was kind of mad. It was nice too. We're gonna try to catch him. He was right in this area. That is not him. Yeah. That was a tiny one. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave some comments. I will respond to them. And we'll catch you guys in our next video, which is actually our first video of a new series, so stay tuned.